Does your chronograph watch look something like this, where all the needles are pointing in different directions? No matter how hard you try to reset it using the chronograph function, they always just seem to reset at very uneven positions. Well, worry no more. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to align your seconds needle and both of the chronograph needles to the 12 p.m. marker. So the first thing you want to do is just pull out the crown to half a click. All the needles will move. And then you will press the button on the right hand side of the watch to move the seconds needle first. Next up, you want to move the smaller chronograph, and when you press the top button, it will show that it has been activated. Again, following the same rule, you will set this one using the button. Then again, we'll shift the mode to the left hand side small chronograph. It will move, and then we will use the same mechanism using the lower button to align it to a 12 position as well. Now they look good. What we need to do is we need to lock their positions, and for that we'll push the crown back in. Now let's try to run the stopwatch. Once we reset it, it should now be coming to the 12 p.m. position, which is the new one. And here you go. If you like this video, hit the like button right now and also subscribe to our channel for more informational watch videos.